Hi, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and today I'm going to be talking a little bit about some things that's supposed to be coming in from Amazon next week. So I'm kind of hoping they do, because I decided to change some of the things that I had said earlier. Basically, it was what I got for Christmas. And I've been humming and hawing and trying different things and getting stuff and sending it back. And then I decided, well, I need to think for a few days to really see what I want for my studio. So I thought, okay, I'll look at the lightning deals on Amazon. And I was watching them for a couple of days, and an action camera came up. And I had said a long time ago that I wanted to get one. And the one that I was looking at was, I think, around $110 or $120. And so I saw this other one come up, and it had basically the same features on it. And it went on a lightning deal for $70. So I went, wow, that's a good price. So I got it. So it should be coming next week. Now, the one I got is Ape Man. And it has a 4-star rating from 568 customers. So therefore, there's a good chance that it's good. So I'm hoping so. Now, the next thing that I had said I wanted, and I had gotten it, but sent it back. And basically what it is it's a light. And what I had ordered before was, I didn't think I even put it on a video. I got a 176 LED light, and then I got a stand for it. And I decided, well, no. But then I was watching the lightning deals, and the one that's a little bit older than that came up, like the generation before that one came up, and it's a CN160, so it's got 160 LEDs in it. Now this one comes with a battery charger, and the battery, and a little case, and it's dimmable, and it has daylight, like and then the soft white, so that it's 5600 Kelvin and 37 or 3900 Kelvin for the warm light. So I thought, wow, that's really good. It was regular about $44 or $45, and it went on sale for $37. And I went, wow, that's only like, no, that is cheaper than what I had bought the other light for. I think the other light was $40, if I'm not mistaken. So I went, that's a good lightning deal. Okay, let's get that. So I did. So that's supposed to be coming in next week. Then the next thing that I got, and I only saw it today, I was thinking, well, I'd like to have a little stand for it. And then I can use my $10 tripod. I can use that for the light, because it needs to be up a little higher, but the little camera I either want to put it here and face the monitor, or I could put it over here, or I can put it up higher and make it aim down whenever I'm doing something on the desk that I want you to be able to see. And then I'll have like 2 videos so I can switch back and forth between them. So I can do a little bit better on the video editing and stuff and whatnot. So I was trying to find a less expensive, smaller one. So for a few days, I was looking at it was a newer one, and it was a nice little one, and it went to, I think it was 24 inches high, and it was built almost exactly the same as the Amazon Basic one that I got for $31 there, and except smaller. So I thought, wow, that's a nice little unit, but it's $33. I don't want to spend that much. So I was talking to my wife today, and I said, man, if I could only find something that was made a little lighter and only about half the size, I would really like to get that, but I can't seem to find one. I've been looking for days. So I started just looking around and looking at all the ones that are like these other ones like they have on Amazon. And sure enough, I found one that is a lightweight one that's built like this tripod more than the Amazon. The Amazon one's a little heavier built than that one. And I thought, wow, that's not bad. And they had a coupon on it, and it was, I think, around $18, so I got it for $17. So I ordered that, because that was exactly what I was looking for. I had this other one for $11 that had like the crinkly feet on it, so that you could bend it and put it whatever shape you want and make it hung onto a tree and stuff like this and whatnot. But I didn't think I'd actually be using it that much for that. I think I'd be using it more as like a regular type of a tripod. And if I want one of them later, I can get one for like $10. But this one here was more exactly what I wanted, so I ordered that. That's supposed to be coming in next week, hopefully. Now, I'm still in the search for a mic. I want a microphone. I've ordered a few and sent them back because I always found something a little bit that I didn't like about it. But I found most of them had better sound than the newer, like for just myself talking. And I thought, well, maybe I can try one more different one that I've tried. And if not, I went back and listened to them. And there's MXL606 that I had a while back. And it's about $75 for that mic. So if the next one that I order I don't like, then I'll go back to that one and then just keep that one. But I'm still on the search for that one. So that's basically what I should be doing next week, is having those things and unboxing them and showing them to you. And well, that's all I have for today. If you liked the video, thumbs up. Didn't like the video, thumbs down. If you like the content, then please subscribe. I want to wish everybody a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Bye.